Okay guys, just going to show you a quick installation on the carbon key cover we have for the Abarth. So obviously it's a two-piece kit. It does clip together nicely, but we put these glue on there as well, obviously, to just keep it secure, just in case it pops off. So you're just going to take the case off the original key. You can do it by hand if it's tight, and screwdriver or something, but basically the front bit comes off. And then you unclip the back bit, and that bit there, it's hard to get on, it's obviously slides over that bit. So test fit first, like we do with everything. So that's the blade side, so you're going to put that like that, and then that obviously is going to click together like that. So put that down, just peel the tape, and that goes in there. The wire goes in there. Struggling myself now. Just got to get that bit lined up. You can see that, so half of it's on there, and then same on that one. This bit's a bit easier because it's lined up. So you'll see there it locks together and it clicks there, and obviously it sticks as well. So you can get these on our website, www.kilochrome.com. Loads of other carbon stuff on there. As you can see, spruces the key up nicely. Keep liking, subscribing, etc. Thanks for watching.